Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys. I said I wasn't going to buy this item and I did anyway. And I told myself all sorts of reasons for why I did not need this. But y'all, it came back in stock and I said, that's it. I got to do it. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into the item without any further waiting. You guys, this is the Coach Quilted Tabby 33. And I am seeing this for the first time right along with you all. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. So I am going to check her very carefully for any defects, any flaws, because a few of you have received items that were a bit defective, and so far it's looking so good. I am seeing some creasing right here along the front. I don't know if the camera is picking up on that creasing, but oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. And I am just loving it. So I initially told myself I did not need this bag because one, I have a quilted pillow Madison in black that I don't use, but honestly, it's not a good size for an everyday bag. So I've watched a ton of videos on this size in particular, and I saw that it would make an excellent bag if I wanted to be fancy for work. I just love this black on black. I love that metal C. That is so pretty to me. So let me undo these straps. And here is the back of the bag, you guys. That is so gorgeous. I'm going to just pull some of this wrapping off. So even though it was in the gift bag, you guys can see my piece was still factory wrapped. And so I like that touch. Like I said, I did not ask for factory wrapping. I did not ask for gift wrapping, but I do like that touch. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my gosh, look at this interior, y'all. Look at this. So this is what she is looking like on the inside. And I just love it. This is gorgeous. This metal clasp is so substantial. This is heavy. Why y'all didn't tell me this thing is heavy? Wow, that is really, really nice. So I've gotten some of that factory wrapping off of here so we can take a look at the strap together, you guys. This is gorgeous. And I am so glad that I picked her up. Let me zoom out just a little bit. This is gorgeous, and I'm so glad that I picked her up. This is beautiful. So here's the detailing on that clasp. Here's the detailing on that chain. And I just love the black on black, you guys. Like, I really, really love this. This is gorgeous. I'm not seeing any flaws. Like one of my friends, hers had like this weird bulge on the side, but mine is good to go, looks like. This back section does have a metal clasp here, and that is working just fine. This is really beautiful, and I do believe it's worth every penny. Because let me tell y'all something, I'm not checking for Chanel. There's a lot of luxury brands that I am interested in, but Chanel is not one of them. I hope I don't eat my words later on, but I am not checking for Chanel at all. I am loving this front flap here. That is gorgeous. Let me just move that out the way so we can really see what it's looking like. Oh my gosh. Y'all, why y'all didn't tell me? Somebody should have told me. This is beautiful. So I am super excited to add this Coach Quilted Tabby 33 into my collection. I do not have any black quilted pieces yet, but I may not even buy any because you guys, I have a Louis Vuitton Recto Verso. This is in the black empreinte leather. And honestly, I think she'll go beautifully with this. Now, I'm not going to worry about the metals not matching. That is not a problem for me. But I just wanted to come on and share this unboxing with y'all because I'm not gonna lie, I typically don't spend full price on Coach retail at this price point. I do like to wait for a sale or otherwise just try to get me a deal. And I think I'm gonna love this. I can tell the strap drop is perfect for me. And I think this will be a great bag for work, date night when I'm carrying a bit more, or work when I am trying to be super fancy boss lady mode. So I cannot wait to carry this. And I may eventually get a zip around card case to go with her, but she's beautiful. And just as an FYI, here is the bottom of the bag. She does not have feet. So just a nice unboxing for y'all. I just wanted to share my excitement with y'all. I think my recto verso is cute with that. I may or may not, like I said, buy a wallet to go with her because I honestly have a ton of black wallets, or I can use one of my other quilted card cases as a pop of color. But I am super excited about this, you guys. Tell me what you guys think about the Tabby 30. Is it too big? I think the Tabby 26 would have been too small for me personally. So I'm so glad that Coach gave us bigger bag lovers this option so that we could get in on the quilted Tabby love. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Hit